Bill has 7 pieces of wire length: 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. He bends some of the pieces to form a wire frame in the shape of a cube with edges of length 1 centimeter without any overlaps. What is the smallest number of these pieces that he can use? So now there are 12 sides, right? So each is 1 centimeter, and he is bending these wires. So if you add 1 and 2, that would be 3 centimeter, or 3 sides, and then you can add another 3, that is 6 sides, and 6 and 4 is 10 sides. So no, there's nothing more we can do, but we could do 5 and 4 is 9 sides, 9 and 3, so that's 12 sides. So he could be using 5 and 4 and 3. So that is 3. If he was using 5 centimeter, 4 and 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, then he's using 3 pieces of wire. So the answer would be 3. We don't know if that's the answer yet. So he could be using 5, 4 and 3. I'm just saying what the options are. So there's no way he could use 7 and 6, 13, because that's 13 is more than the number of sides. But he could use 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 would make 12. So then the answer would be 2. So, and then it could be 7, and it could be 3 and 2, 7 and 3 and 2, and then it could be 6 and 4, 10 and 2, 12, 6, 4, 2, or maybe he uses 4. See, how can you use? So can we use 4? So 5 and 4, 9, and 10, 11 and 12. So it could be 5, 4, 2, 1, or it could be 6 and 1, 7 and 2, 8, 6 and 1, 7, and it could be 2 is 9 and 3. So it could be 6 and 3, or it could be 2 and 1. So the answer in these cases would be 4. Or it could be all 5. I don't know how to do it with all 5. Can it be done? 5 and 4, 9. Or 1 and 2, 3, and 3, 6, and 4, 10. Oh, I got 4. 6 and 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh yeah, 6, 2, 8. No, we did that. 6 and 2 is 8, and 3 is 11, and 1, 12. Anyway, so we got all these options. You can be 5. I can't figure out how to do it with 5. So it could be either 3 or 4, I think. The answer is either 3 or 4. Now, which of these it is? We've got to draw it, I thought, to figure it out. So let us try some of the big ones, like 7. So if I start with 7, so I could do this. This is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's very neat. 7. And then I have got 3. So I could bend the wire. I pick up a 3 centimeter. So that's 7 centimeter already done. So next I pick a 3 centimeter wire and bend it. So I can do that. 1 and 2 and 3. Now see, there's a problem. So I've got 2 sides still left. So how will I do that? So to do that, I can't overlap. So I would need 2 1 centimeter wires, which is not there. So obviously this is not an option. But before cancelling it out, you can try it out different ways. You see, you don't have to go. You can trace different patterns, so to say. If I could do 7, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, we could do it that way. But we'd still have the same problem, 7, and then we can do 3 this way, but we still have these 2. So I don't think 732 is an option. We can try the 6 ones. We can try 5, 4, 3 if it's possible. So 5, how would I do 5? So I could do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something very different. And then I could do 1, 2, 3. Oh, that would require all 1, 2, 3. No. Maybe you can do 5 some other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not working. I don't know how to get it to work. So I can't try this. But you can, you can have a play with it and see how you can. This is definitely not an option, not 7 and 5. I don't know how to make it with 7 and 5. Have a play with it. So maybe you can, but I'm also trying. So maybe I can try the 5, 4, 2, 1. Why don't I try that? 6 and 3, 8. That doesn't seem possible. I don't know if this is doable. Maybe try this, 5, 4, 2, 1. So if I try 5, 4, 2, 1, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I do here, if I decide to stop instead of continuing to 6, I can continue to 6. Maybe I continue to 6 and then see if there's a possibility. If I do 6, so maybe see 6, 3, 2, 1. Change my mind. But no, there is 3. Oh, then there's that possibility. No, that's not possible. So, okay, I'll stick to that. I'll stick to 5, 4, 2, 1. So if I have 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 done. Okay, so then how do I make it a 4? I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see, so that's 4. And then I can do a 3, or no, 5, 4, 5, 4, and then 1 and 2. So that's a 2. And finally, I can do 1. So this one I can cover 1. So I think that's the answer, 5, 4, 2, 1. And that is how you would do it. So the answer is we need 4 of them. We need a 5, we need a 4, and we need a 2 and a 1 to make this this cube. I'll try out other ways of doing it. There must be, I'm sure.